James Robinson had done everything right. A devoted public school teacher in Atlanta, he maintained a strong credit score, saved diligently, and was finally ready to buy his first home. Not just for himself, but for the future of his young daughter. After receiving pre approval, James found a modest 3-bedroom in a quiet suburb, the kind of neighborhood filled with kids on bikes and weekend cookouts. But when he submitted the final mortgage application with the home's address, everything changed. Without warning, the bank denied his loan. No clear explanation, just a vague statement that he no longer met lending criteria. Meanwhile, a white colleague with similar income and even slightly worse credit was approved for a nearby home with no issue. That's when James suspected what many still silently endure. This wasn't about numbers. It was about his skin color and zip code. What he had experienced was redlining, a practice officially outlawed decades ago, but one that still lives on today through discriminatory lending algorithms, under-appraisals, and the subtle policing of black neighborhoods. According to a 2023 study, Black Americans are still 80% more likely to be denied a mortgage compared to white applicants, even when controlling for credit and income. Homes in black neighborhoods are routinely undervalued, up to 23% less than similar homes in white areas, limiting equity and wealth building across generations. Though James fought back, appealing the decision, hiring an independent appraiser, and working with the local fair housing group, the house was already gone. Still, he refused to be silent. His story echoes the quiet struggles of thousands of black families across America who are told, implicitly or explicitly, that they don't belong. This isn't just about home loans. It's about dignity, equality, and the right to access opportunity. James did eventually buy a home, thanks to a black-led credit union that saw his worth. It wasn't the house he first dreamed of, but it became a place filled with pride, perseverance, and love. The legacy of redlining is not history. It's a present-day barrier. But every story told chips away at that wall. And James's story? It's not just his. It's ours.